I love silver brazing. It's a true craft and art that takes years to master.
This one's fresh.
Hi, I'm Sven Vick, Manufacturing Group Lead in Burnsville, Minnesota. We build pitot probes and pitot-static probes. So with those, you're going to get the altitude and also the airspeed on the airplane. The de-icing element is critical. It's cold up in the atmosphere, and we got to make sure that the computer and the pilots get accurate information. It's not a cookie cutter. It's not just putting in a screw here or assembly. We are hammering, we're silver brazing, we're bending, banging, and building these probes by hand to the tolerances of thousands. But when you do get that finished product and you know the value of it and where it goes, it does give you a very good sense of satisfaction. It's one of the reasons why I come here, and I'm one of the crazy people. I love what I do.